Well, here we go. It is finalized. My kitchen is finally done. Yay. Anyway, so here's what it looks like. Finally all done. The refrigerator is in and doing really well. Or it's fitting well. I should say doing really well. It's fitting great now. This is perfect. They had to rebuild this cabinet over here a couple of inches. And same thing with the microwave drawer. They had to rebuild that cabinet because it was sticking out slightly. Now it's a flush mount just like this Sub-Zero refrigerator is. So it's really turned out nice. Here is the kitchen or the island. It's quite large, along with a nice waterfall countertop. I love this. It's a leathered Taj Mahal, which apparently is very popular right now, although I didn't know it was popular because I was not looking for what was popular. I just picked out what I liked. And then here is our hood vent is all in and looking really great. That's a customized hood vent that we did mixed metals on. Everything is mixed metals, including now our Wolf appliance, or our Wolf stove does not have the red handles. They are brass. Our faucet came in and it's looking lovely. It's got all the mixed metals as well. You can kind of see the water RO system is right there, and then the soap and even the disposal. Look at that. I love this. I just love this faucet. It's my favorite part of this kitchen. Anyway, so this goes way back here. They did a great job with that backsplash. And I don't know if I showed this before or not, but all the plugs are underneath there, so they're not drilled into the wall. I had to come into Arizona just to check everything out, make sure it was good. Let's look at the back pantry area. I don't know that this has changed much, but looking really good. And then this is my pantry, which, by the way, is like 10 foot tall. Yeah, 10 foot tall, way taller than me. Anyway, very cool. I love it. And the bar area, it's really cool. We did, of course, you can see the lighting inside there. These are push doors, which are kind of cool. And then down here, these are pull-outs for the liquor. My husband's a bourbon drinker. You can probably see these are the extra bourbons. And then all the little things like this in there too that just pulls out. Really nice. Very pleased. So what do you guys think? Okay, one more thing I thought I would show you at nighttime. Here's what it looks at the nighttime. It's kind of nice when it's dark out and you can kind of better see everything. In the kitchen, here we are. We are finally done. I'm so excited. Anyways, love my house. And it really turned out great. So really excited about it. This is in the dark, so can't see everything, but can get an idea at least for sure. So really happy with it. Yay! Another one in the books.